Hi, Nayeli. Hi, my daughter. Hi, baby. Hi. Hi, mama. Hi. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Mommy. Mama. You hungry? Mm-hmm. You're hungry. You just breastfed. Mm? Are you having fun? Are you enjoying yourself? Bless you. Mm? Are you having fun? Mm? Are you having fun relaxing? Yes, this hand and this tiny hand. Tiny hand. And another one. Where do you want to go? Where do you want to go? It's America. Do you want to go to Europe, Asia, Australia? Or just stay in Africa? Where do you want to go? I want to go. Before I go, I want to visit a country called United Kingdom. Yes, true. Are you tired? You tired? You tired? You tired already? High five, mama. High five. High five. High five, maybe. One, two. 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 How? 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 Say something. Are you happy, chubby girl? Say something. Say something, mama. Uh, eh, say something. Hmm. Hello, hello. What do you want to say? Anything? Anything, baby? You want to what do you want? To sleep? To feed? Say I want to feed mommy. My 2 months baby. 7 weeks old girl. Please don't cry. Hmm? You bored? Yeah. Hi, my friends. Hi, my friends. Hi, my friends. Huh? Mm. Hi, my friends. Uh-huh. My friends, hi. Thank you for subscribing to our channel. Isn't that what you're saying? Thank you. We appreciate you. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hi, mama. Mama. When you are full, you relax, huh? You stay calm. You become a good baby. We play together. Don't we? Don't we play together with you? We do, right? And right. Mm-hmm. What sound are you trying to bubble? What sound? G. Are you driving some car? Are you driving? See this one, this one, this one. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. This one, Mama. It's beautiful. That sling bag, I already gave it to you. It's yours. It's yours. Sling bag. Sling bag for Nayeli. 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 Sling bag with beautiful beads. It has nice beads. Yes, you like it. You like it? It's yours now. It's no longer mine. I've given it to you. Something else? Do you want this one? Beautiful. This is from Guatemala, America. This one, yes, beautiful pouch. I give it to you. I give you this for putting some coins, little coins inside here. I am giving you this one. Hey, you love it? Yeah? Yes? You like it? Yes. Another something else? From this nice sling bag, I'm going to give you this one. Some neckband headphones. Yay! Yay! You want this one to listen to music as you watch your cartoon? As you watch your cartoon. Use this one, neckband, earphones. Yes. These ones, I give them to you when you grow a little bit older. Yay! Yay! This one is yours. This one, you like it? Hey, yes. Can you, if you know how to pick it up Mama. Stand up, stand up, stand and pick this one. But you love this one more. Oh, this one. It's beautiful. It's beautiful, mommy. This one. This one. What do you say? Yes, thank you for subscribing. You're tired now. Okay. Wow, after such a wonderful conversation with you, you get to have something to drink, and that is your favorite drink, Mama's milk, breast milk. Well, thank you for staying tuned. That was my little one trying to bubble some sound to play. Yeah, she's really grown, and that's growth at 2. In the second month, this is the 7th week. Oh yes, on the 25th she'll be fully 2 months, and we're going to celebrate it right here, isn't it, baby? So for now, she's just enjoying herself and enjoying her meal, her only meal exclusively until she's 6 months old. So Mama, you can hear the sound she's having. She's enjoying. Yes, she's enjoying her very one and only drink. Yes. Well, we thank you. We appreciate you for staying tuned. Well, today it's very cold here in Kenya, Nairobi, Kenya. it rained in the afternoon, so there are no lights at the moment, but we're having fun with my daughter over here, playing, breastfeeding, sleeping, eating, working out, taking naps in between until, yeah, let's are back. Mama, what do we say to our friends? What do we say? Bye. Bye. No disturbance. That's what she says. Well, thank you. Thank you. We appreciate you. Thank you for liking, commenting, and sharing. Thank you, John Kavana. Thank you, Eunice. I'll give just giving a shout out notification to all of you, my friends. Thank you, Henry. Thank you, Eunice. Thank you, Zipporah. Thank you, Sarah. Thank you for the comment. Thank you for the likes. Thank you, everyone, for the support, for the like, for the viewing, for the sharing. Everything you're doing is appreciated because you support our content. It just means a lot. It means the world to us. So if you've not been able to kindly consider subscribing, and you're going to love our content. You're going to keep you posted, entertained, educated, and all that. So give us a thumbs up, a comment, a like, a share. Tell us even how you're watching us. What would you like to see more on our channel? So those who requested I do a video on bathing the baby, I'm gonna do that. If you've not been able to see, there's quite a number of vlogs I've done on breastfeeding. Yeah, there's one that I've showed, and some I've just explained how you do it and all that. So if you've not been able to view, you can go back and view. There's so much I've talked about in my motherhood, my new journey as a mother, as a first-time mom. It's been nice getting to learn every single day. So my baby here, she's just breastfeeding, and she's sweating. See, so she's enjoying her one and only meal. So thank you, and see you soon. Talk soon. Stay blessed and stay tuned. Yes, remember to keep your baby supported and comforted. Bye for now. Bye. Bye from me, myself, and Nayeli. Nayeli, say bye to our people. Bye. What do you say? Bye.